How to change home address on Uber app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to MPT. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can change home address on Uber app. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First, you will need to locate your Uber app. So find your Uber app and then open it up. Make sure that you're logged into your account and the app is up to date to the latest version. After you open up the app, you will first need to head over to your account. So you'll find the account option at the bottom right. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, you'll need to head over to settings. So you'll find your settings right here under the account section. So tap on settings, and after you tap on settings, you'll find app settings. Inside app settings, you'll find the home option, which is basically your home address. Tap on that, and after you tap on that, you can then set a new location. After you tap on set on map, you can then drag your pin and drop it where your new location is at. So let me just place it at some place random here. Let me just do this, tap on done, and now your home address has been changed on Uber app. And it's basically that simple, and that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.